lose a boy, we lose a girl, but don't we lose ourselves in our little loser world? So innocent, yeah, it's kinda sweet. Affection overload, you're a bigger mission.
You even put it on straight. So what do we got going on? What are we doing at 2 in the morning?
Well, Lewis is and wouldn't let us drink. So we were about to have a nice fire pit and drink session when we were talking to
Uh-oh.
yeah, where someone shut it off.
They ran out of gas probably.
Anyway, make a long story short, Vinny Palazzo put in our head that we were going to fix our big block that was, we thought, broken and unable to be repaired because the lifter mushroomed inside of it and the push rod was bent and the rocker was out of adjustment, and we thought we would have to pull it all apart. We didn't have another cam to put in, we didn't have parts. We spent all day resolved to the fact that we were done, only to figure out that we could get parts, and we decided at 12 o'clock after drinking to rip into it. Fortunately, the time saver was we were able to get the mushroom push lifter out of the top and not have to go through the cam and everything. And the cam lobe doesn't seem to be as bad as we thought, according to Mark Benson and his son Mark Jr., who were here, who were able to help us assess the situation.
Yeah,
So,
thank God to them.
again, this is not the way you really want to do it, but we're trying to make a couple passes here. So
Right. You gotta improvise.
the motor's getting freshened up, you know, very soon. Really soon now.
now.
No, this is the opposite of freshening. This is
Sending it.
Cross your fingers.
yeah, souring the motor. So we have an improvised bore
Generator around a fuel, I guess.
tool, or somebody cut the cord.
Probably our neighbors.
Listen, go out there and disable it so it does not run again. So far, so good. That door's shut, right?
Where's
Whatever heat we got in here.
Where's the lifter? There it is. Look at that thing. It's not supposed to do that.
I don't think so.
No.
It's not supposed to look hydraulic, I guess.
Well, I gotta say, this would suck with fenders on. We sacrificed our Pittsburgh pressure, not even a tire gauge. We think it's maybe some kind of AC gauge or something.
Compression test gauge.
Compression test gauge.
I might have sacrificed my drill jamming that thing in the end hole too. Because we were trying to get it out.
It's alright. We're gonna need it.
Sacrificing parts to the
I know.
gods.
We're gonna need it again one day.
We don't have much in the way of materials, supplies, or spare parts. So we're down to 3 spins of electrical tape. Now we'll be 2. We have 2 tablespoons of brake clean left.
So you came prepared, that's what you're saying.
No oil to change the oil.
No, that has to be. We have to. I'm sure we can get that.
We'll just run it on transmission fluid. We got plenty of that.
So
Yeah, we got the right stuff that dries in 30 seconds or some shit.
thanks, Charlie.
Look at that.
Get it over.
We're engine builders now. So we're back at it again.
So
going after it. And we've had some luck.
Every once in a while. That's what it means. So if we don't hear
We're putting everything back together. And it looks like we're going to be making a pass. Hopefully, keep fingers crossed nothing goes wrong until then.
Everybody in the lanes, if you're not warming yours up, you should be yelling at the people next to you to warm theirs up. After you warm yours up. Just saying.
John's drinking already. Nice.
Celebrating. The lifter went back in.
Ray Rios, the waiting
Mark, I'll help me.
Closest to us is number 42 to 1105, Steve Alia, Las Vegas, Nevada.
Sealing everything back up. Gonna put the intake back on.
Take this.
Yep.
We're gonna need a couple hands here because we're gonna have to lift the intake and try to get those two bolts lined up first. Right?
Oh, I forgot these bolt holes in the middle.
All right, so again, Rios here in the Ray.
So guys, we're about to fire this up. Patrick Barnhill just got here, so he's tuning on the keyboard right now. What do you need?
Justin Riggio, the Mustang, gonna try another shot at the water box here. That's right. Water's not heated up. Justin Ostrom, the Civic, in the left.
Listen to me. So anyway, my point is that yes, it did help to fix it, but without the amount of reaming we did on that core, you wouldn't have got that much steel off to get that to work just with sandpaper. A little bit of pissing in the wind. At the end, it made somewhat of a difference.
It was a combination of everything. You got most of the way through, then you got that other tool that we used this morning,
Where I did save the day,
and the lifter. We had to get that lifter down.
where I clearly saved the day,
Oh my god! You didn't
is
say
we ate that fucking valve train up, and it would have been destroyed
tonight.
if we didn't flip them rockers.
You're right.
Lucky us.
Absolutely everything right. He got an advantage on the start line. He made a perfect run. Right there, it's starting both ways. He was making 3 gears. So we did a lot of the things from Street Performance Super Street. As coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, it is the quickest, fastest eliminator category here this weekend. It is time for Mickey Thompson Outlaw versus Extreme.